just come to share with you another Faux Midori with two Traveller's Notebook inserts. This one is an Alice in Wonderland themed one. So I will crack on. Like the one I done yesterday, it is very much the same, only a different theme. That is the spine. We have the elastics here that holds the Traveller's Notebooks inside. The cover is double layered of cardstock. Then I actually added this pattern cardstock onto the black cardstock. This again is, so it's a nice thick spine because there's like 3 layers here. This paper here is from Dreamzetc, and I've used 2 kits, Dreamzetc and ARTYmaze. This front image here is from ARTYmaze. So let's go inside. Again, I've done the plastic dashboards, and someone had asked, I've actually got a few questions about a dashboard. They are designed to stick your sticky notes in. You can buy plastic sleeves, like pockets, sorry, and you can pop them on, and then you can tuck things inside it as well, and it is totally removable. It's not attached to the signature, so it can be taken out and moved, as is this can, because it is inserted through elastic. You can drag that little bit right down to the bottom if you wish. Anyway, so here's, excuse my inky fingers. So this, the main pages are from ARTYmaze, and some of the ephemera is from Dreamzetc. So I've made a double pocket here, a large tag in there, just making sure I'm in frame. I have to do this because it's kind of large. So that tag goes in there. This is opened at the side, so you have a pocket there as well. I've laminated some bookmarks, Alice in Wonderland bookmarks, and I've put that in there. And then here we have a little envelope with a double journaling card inside. And that just pops in there. This image here is from ARTYmaze as well. There is plenty of writing space as well. It's a little flip, you could glue that down, or you could do some additional journaling. There's lined paper, some more digital paper. Here I've just made some pockets, and we have large tag, another bookmark, off with her head, another tag, and a little tag, more journaling space. Love this image. Here is just a pocket. There's nothing in it because this was getting rather chunky, but I've decorated that with another one of the journaling cards, and that's another pocket in there as well. Journaling space, another pocket here with a large tag, another tag, and another journaling card. Another pocket here. Excuse me. This is like a completely full pocket. I just cut 2 pieces, put that on there as the pocket. Then this piece here, I just made a 1/2 inch mark so that I could fold it, and then I just covered it with some Alice in Wonderland washi tape. And again, this image is from ARTYmaze. And is this completely glued down? Is it a pocket? I can't remember. No, it's not, because it's a full envelope. Ugh. Excuse me. Lined paper, some inventory paper. Here we just have a tuck spot and a tag, and that just pops in there. These have all been coffee dyed on the back, and that's the other side of the dashboard. So that's that signature. Then there's this one here, and that's the other, oops, where is it? It's the other side of that. I love that image from Alice in Wonderland when they're sitting around at the table having their tea at the tea party. So this is from ARTYmaze again. This image here is one of the pages from Dreamzetc, and I've just created a pocket from that. We have a large tag, and a little tag, a little flip out, Love this paper. Here we have another pocket. Love the teapot, the hat, the teapot and the cups and saucers. Oops, and we have a large tag. And this tag. Excuse me. Tea time. Another corner tuck. Another laminated bookmark. Another tag. A little ticket. And a little envelope with a little journaling card inside that. And that's the other string. Yes, there's 2 strings in this, I've got to say. You can add other strings to your Midori fedoris. There is loads of videos out there about how to do that. So that is another laminated bookmark. There's 4 bookmarks throughout. A telegram, that's from Dreamzetc, and is this. This is a triple, actually. Is it a triple pocket? Yeah, no, there's 4 pockets in this. So there's this one here with this envelope and a double, nope, just a single journaling card. Then there is this postcard, and then there is this pocket, and then there is that pocket, and actually there's a pocket right in behind there as well. So there's quite a few pockets in this page where you can tuck things in. And I done the pocket right this time because yesterday I kind of done it my own way, and then I seen why it was how Genevieve's, when she done hers, I didn't do exactly how she did it. I thought it would work, but it didn't. So when you watch something and somebody does something a particular way, there's normally a reason. Here we just have a tuck, and this is one of the pages from Dreamzetc, which I'd cut up to do something else, and I cut this off of one of the pages and put that on there as well, so there's like kind of a little bit of layering there. We have this tag and this big tag here. So that is the full Midori with 2 traveller's notebooks. There is 80 pages in total. That's 14 each insert. That's not including the dashboard, because obviously you can't write on the dashboard. Well, you could, I guess, but it would, with one of them, what do you call them? I can't remember what they're called, but anyway. Yeah, so this will be listed in my shop if anyone's interested. And I did do a video today to show you how I made the cover, and I finished it all, and when I looked I had it on slow-mo. So anyway, I'm going to do another one tomorrow. So I've now got another cover to start, and I will show you the cover because it's actually quite pretty. I was really, how sweet is that? And I was videoing on slow-mo. What a plonker I am. So anyway, back to this. The links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.